Karan Verma, when you ask this question, you are accused of sidestepping real issues. This is not a real issue. Mohabbat ki dukaan stands exposed.
So, Pranesh, according to them, completely condescending behavior towards the highest constitutional office should not even be discussed and debated. And, you know, Pranesh, I really want to discuss Sonia Gandhi's consistent track record in this. It's not discussed that much. On 13th April 2002, you know, I'm going back 22 years. On the floor of the parliament, she said to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who was the prime minister at that time, this man has lost his mental balance. Now, who talks like this? And leave aside BJP people, leave aside the Prime Minister and the President, how has she behaved with Sitaram Kesri when she had to be anointed as the party president, as the Supremo? What really happened with Sitaram Kesri? How he was roughed up? What happened with PV Narasimha Rao when his mortal remains were not even allowed to enter the party office? And I'll take you back. Where does this entitlement come from? You know, Pranesh, back in 1987, it was Rajiv Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi who for a holiday used INS Virat. Our warship was for them a vehicle for holidaying where they and their family friends enjoyed the New Year's. Can you imagine? When she says, I don't want to be prime minister, she anoints herself as the head of the NSC. I mean, this sense of entitlement that India is Indra, Indra is India, this runs in the family and they look down towards everyone. We saw Pratibha Mukherjee ji, Pranab Mukherjee's daughter. She spoke about how Pranab Mukherjee, despite giving his entire life and dedicating it, how he was ill-treated. How Danish Ali and all these Congress people said, Acha, aap RSS ki aur jhuke the, now you've got a memorial of your own. How Manmohan Singh ji, when he expired, Rahul Gandhi went for a holiday. So time and again they've treated their people, whether it's Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, whether it is Narasimha Rao, they have not treated anyone well. Nothing is over the parivar for them. And they believe that they own this country. They don't believe that they are sons and daughters of this country. They believe they own it. This is theirs. You remember Priyanka Vadra, she did not vacate her house even when SPG security was taken away from her. For 9 months she did not leave Lodi estate. She said, "Main aaram se niklungi." Who speaks this language? This comes from a deep-seated sense of mastery, not even entitlement. They believe they own us. And that is what showed up today.
Karan, you are getting it wrong. The Gandhi family used the warship, you know why? Because ordinary cruise is boring. Karan Verma, come on. Ordinary cruise is boring. Dr. Aman, ordinary cruise ships are for ordinary people. But they are the Gandhis. They will use a warship to go on a vacation. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, ये भाषा राहुल गांधी बोलते हैं कि मोहब्बत की दुकान हूं मैं, एक बार सर सुन तो लीजिए रवि श्रीवास्तव, वो बोलते हैं मोहब्बत की दुकान हूं, ऐसे बोलना चाहिए, मर्यादा, civility, all of that. So what is this boring president speech? I can understand political differences. I can understand, sir, the speech that the president reads, ये पहली बार हुआ है क्या सरकार ने दिया है? पहली बार हुआ है जब कांग्रेस की सरकार थी, when the UPA was in power. Mr. Ravi Srivastava, tell me something, sir. Were the speeches read by then? No, 1 minute, sir. Were the speeches read by presidents then? Were they not given by the government? How can you say something, an utterance by the president is boring?
What action has been taken against him? Can you tell me?
Against whom?
Against Ramesh Biduri. What he called Danish Ali in the floor of the parliament. You recall that word? I cannot use those words. That is condemnable. Because I am bound by the constitution of this country.
Sir, did anyone say 1 minute? 1 minute. मैं बता देता हूँ sir, अभी बता देता हूँ. Let's expose 1 minute, sir. This whataboutery won't work here. When you talk about Ramesh Biduri, I will not say what Dr. Raman said when I asked him a direct question. That Pranesh, why are you making a big deal of it? Because it is a big deal. Ramesh Biduri does not deserve a ticket. He deserves condemnation. Censuring him is not enough. A message needs to go out. Will you say the same thing about Sonia Gandhi? You won't, because you think Sonia Gandhi is entitled to say these things because her surname has a Gandhi in it. Ravi Srivastava,
This is incorrect.
will you dare to condemn Rahul Gandhi for his disparaging behavior? No, when he was filming the vice president being mocked, will you do it? You will not do it, sir, because you see, I'll tell you, sir, Darbar hai, Darbar mein all seats are taken.
34
जो लोग बाहर खड़े हैं वो यही बोलेंगे
4 years.
the atmosphere outside is boring, they have to get into it, get into this club.
Last 34 years, which Gandhi as a prime
No, answer my question.
My question.
If you have the courage,
Which Gandhi has become a prime minister in last 34 years? Tell me the name. What story you are making? Sir, Shahi family, royal family, entitlement, privileged party. What is all this nonsense?
sir, if the Gandhis are not privileged, would any member, sir, any Congress worker, would they have gotten away like Rahul Gandhi did when he said that, look, if you ask me, I think this ordinance should be torn and thrown in the bin. आप बताइए क्या एक्शन हुआ राहुल गांधी पे?
That is internal.
Is he bigger than the government? Was he bigger than former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh? It tells you about the man and his mindset. It just tells you about the man and his mindset.
What is new in it?
What is new? Nothing new. I am not surprised. Sir, मैं तो जानता हूं. This is the interesting behavior. What I am doing is boring. Asking the same questions.
No, you are not boring. You are only trying to play an agenda.
What is the agenda, sir? Tell me. अच्छा, एक बार.
Insulted the president.
Let's get it right. Radhika Chheda, Professor Jyotsna, Dr. Raman, Professor Mondal Taran, Ravi Srivastava is suggesting, I called up Sonia Gandhi. I said, Madam Gandhi, today when you come out after the president's address, you have to say this so that I can, get to do a show. ये agenda है. I told her to say these things. What is the agenda?
Agenda is this, to translate the English into Hindi and make a story. That's
मत
the
translate कीजिए ना sir.
That's the
Sir,
agenda.
if you translate absurdity into any language, it will still be absurdity. Ravi Srivastava, क्या बोल रहे हैं sir आप?
Very well. I said she has done full respect. She has said the poor thing. She was tired.
Poor thing.
A story.
Yeah.
The same story, which was a repetition of 2024.
Yeah.
Nothing new was there.
Which is why emergency was
This is what
exposed.
the-
No.
this is what
The
was
reason
going-
now, sir, tell me.